Hey everyone, welcome to BhenTech.
For other languages, click Settings, then click Audio Tracks, then choose the language you understand. I saw this error in another printing group. Let's try to figure out what the problem is and how to solve it. When you open the photo in a photo viewer, it looks normal and has no issues. The problem occurs when you open the photo in Photoshop, or it becomes distorted and shows scanline artifacts. How to fix this error in Photoshop when opening an image? This image error in Photoshop is called banding or a scanline artifact. More specifically, it may be referred to as horizontal banding, scanline artifact, interlacing artifact, or color banding. To fix this issue, simply open the image file in MS Paint. Then save it as a JPG. After saving, reopen the file in Photoshop. This simple step usually resolves the problem.
Hanapin lang ang aming
Exclusive
YouTube
for
channel,
Philippine
manood
viewers
ng kahit
only.
anong video,
Avail of the YouTube exclusive voucher on tagged products.
i-click o itap ang mga tag product, pwedeng pumili sa list ng mga related product, pumili lang ng item na gusto, then mariredirect na kayo sa Shopee app. Dapat po ay meron tayong account sa Shopee. Panoodin nyo po ang iba pa naming mga video, baka may items kayo na bibilin.
Isang araw sa buhay ko, printer ko sira na naman. Nanonood ng BhenTech, tutorial baka may alam. Ko ang video ngayon, ripakin ang printer ko niya. Swabe ang kanyang galaw, para pang eksperto sa gawa. BhenTech ang sagot sa problema, teknolohiya kulos sa mundo. Swabe ang kanyang galaw, para pang isang araw sa buhay ko, printer ko sira na naman. Nanonood ng
Watch also our video about how to print 5 Array 4 borderless to Epson L3210, L3150, L3250, L3216, L5290.